Condat has introduced an exciting solution to help you maintain PR points and support your clients in getting closer to their PR goals. Once you have entered the Visa Manager plugin, you will be able to access our new PR point feature. To explore it, open a client's profile. At the top, just below client's name, you'll see the PR point option. Click on it and you will be taken to the page where you can view the client's point details. The form automatically pulls data from the personal inputs you've provided, such as date of birth, English proficiency test scores, academic background, and work experience. But you also have the flexibility to manually edit with ease. Now let's walk you through with an example. If you have entered client's date of birth in their profile, it will instantly reflect in your PR point. Next, include their English proficiency test scores and work experience and watch how PR points dynamically adjust as you update the information. This innovative tool allows you to effortlessly track your client's PR points using Condat. You can even share the point calculation by emailing it to your client or by printing it out for the reference.